Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQL. So for today we have one really simple subject, keyword distinct. And what keyword distinct actually is going to do, it's going to remove every duplicate from column you want to select. In this case I have selected everything from column cashier, and right here you could see that we have two Johns, you see, and we have two whites as second name and three whites actually, you see. And how we are going to use keyword distinct in this case, let me show you. Select distinct name from cashier. In this way we are going to get only distinct names, no duplicates. And now I'm going to select, sorry for that, I'm going to select distinct second name from this cashier table, and you see we have only one white. And this is going to be interesting, how to get a number of distinct second names from our cashier table. It's actually really simple, but you have to use these embedded statements. I'm going to wrap this with brackets and select count second name, and I'm going to use this statement as the source of data. And if I run this code, you see I'm going to get number 4. So this is really simple subject. I hope that you like this episode, and see ya.